I don't know what's going on. Holy shit. There are huge explosions going on. I'm seeing red glows back there behind the mountain. It's really loud, really deep. At first I thought it was somebody opening fire. See that flash? Should hear a boom. There it is. I don't know what the hell that is, but it's not fireworks and it's not guns. I know most of this is dark. This went on for a good 2 minutes. It looks like it's gonna stop now. But it was glowing really huge, big orange over the top of the mountain. I don't know what the hell it was.